Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 SPX 210. This boat is in the Lagoon Blue color. It is an IO. We're going to start here at the transom and start looking at a few options that this boat has. It does have the manual swim platform that will fold out. When you're in the water, just hanging out, you fold that down. It's a nice place to sit, put your feet, or if you want to sit in the water, it's a cool little option for this boat. As we move forward, you notice you have the port side walkthrough, sea decking on the walkthrough, as well as the platform. The gray sea decking leads into infinity woven, so you do have nice flooring on both the sea deck and the swim platform, as well as the cockpit. This is Sea Ray's ivory interior, so it's the white. You do have a takeaway cooler underneath the seat, so if you wanted to take that into your house, load up your beverages or lunch items for the day, makes it easy to bring it back on the boat. We do have a bimini top. This boat is equipped with the 2 swivel captain chairs. Nice option, very comfortable. Up here at the helm, you do have your analog gauges. You have fusion stereo, mercury binnacle to the right. As we move forward, let me slide by you here. You do have storage under here on the port side, and then you do have this nice bow. A lot of room up here. This is a great boat, a lot of fun. If you want to come see this boat or any other Sea Ray have an inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. My name is Josh. Myself or any other sales consultants will be happy to help you. Thank you for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.